Okay, let's go with the warm up. Keeping that core tight, back straight, shoulders down and back. We're going to rotate, keeping the legs and the hips still. Elbows lifted. Let's go quicker. Good, circle the arms. Extending through the fingertips. And take them in. Okay, reaching to the side. Keeping that elbow out. Really small movements, let's switch. So waking up the core with our warm up. Reaching side to side. So slight rotation in your torso, keeping those hips facing square. Good. Taking the arms up, side and center. So careful not to have your elbows here. Good, 2 more, then we're going to speed it up. Ready. Legs really still, circle the arms. Taking those hips back. And bring it in. Once more, taking the hand to the side of the head. Now we're going to reach. Side and center. Other side. Good, let's take the arm diagonal. Really waking up that core. Keeping the belly button squeezed in. Okay, circle the arms around. Soften. And bring it in. Okay, reach. Good, other side. Let's reach diagonal. So back is going to stay straight throughout. And we're going to really focus that energy to the core. Okay, take the arms up. And down. Well done, ready to go with our first song. We're going to keep those knees soft, pelvis tucked under so we're not sticking our bottom out. Taking your hands to the side of the head. Careful those elbows don't come in. And we're going to go side and center without moving the hip. So just the torso. Plant those feet into the floor. Weight evenly through both of your feet. Good, keep going. So you don't have to go in too fast. Just what's comfortable for you. Good, 2 more. Nice, take those arms down. Into a rotation. Again, legs still. Taking that shoulder back. And we're going to punch up. Lengthen through the sides. And feel that energy as you go up. Nice, punching again down. Good, take it up. We're going to go from the top. Hands to the side of your head. Side and center. So check that form, shoulders down, elbows out. Not letting that hip move. We're just moving the top half. Good. Shoulders down. That's it. 2 more. Nice. Let's punch down. Ready, go. Really feeling that rotation. Punching up. Stretching through the sides. Again, rotate. Woo! Doing well. Take it up. From the top, take these hands to the side. So check that pelvis. No arch in the lower back. We don't want to be here. Tuck it in. Keep that core squeezed in. We should be feeling it. Yes, 4 more. Very good. Let's punch. Really strong. And take it up. Again, punching down. Keep breathing. Take it up. I love the finish on this one. Ready? Yes. Well done, well done. Okay, we're going to go into our next track. Very good. Okay, check that core is tight. Pelvis tucked in, shoulders down and back, chest lifted, and we're taking our elbows up, not dropping them, facing the side. Supporting leg, stay still, straight line. Let's rotate, bringing that foot in. Lots to think about with this movement. So don't wiggle that knee on the supporting leg. Good, ready, switch, other side. Keeping a straight line from your head to your toe. That's it. Knee lift front. So arms to the side, lift it. And we're going to tap the hip. Good, take them out again. So really straight back. Using that core to bring your knee up rather than taking your body over. Let's tap. Nice, reaching to the side. Really big reach here. Get some energy behind the move. Yes, looking good. Keep those shoulders down. Really feel yourself lengthening through your sides. And check there's no tension in the lower back. Oh, I can't talk. Enjoying this move. Okay, hold it there. From the top, bringing the arms up. Let's do a form check, shoulders down and back. Core tight. To the side, straight line. So feel the rotation, just in your torso. Good. Are we ready to switch? Check that supporting leg is strong. That's it. The weight is slightly forward to allow that leg to go up. Good, knee lift. So your core is really going to drive that knee up. And tap. So take those arms back out. Really lifted. And tapping the hip. Ready to reach. Let's go. This is my favorite move. Have fun with it. Careful to not lock that knee as you come up onto that toe. That's it, well done. Okay, hold it there. Deep breath in and out. Well done. That was good. If you need to stop for water at any point, you can. We're going to go with our next song. So knees slightly bent, tuck that pelvis in. We're going to rotate slowly for 4, then quicker. Shoulders down and back. So focusing on that contraction with your abs. Again. Really contract here. That's it. Keeping the lower body still. Good. Okay, we're going to circle the body forward slowly. Hinging from the hips. Other way. So careful to not let your hips go back. They're staying in line with your feet. Good. We're going to reach side and center, other way. Keeping those shoulders down. Let's go quicker. No tension in the lower back. Good. Again, slow. Good. Let's go. So just moving the top half. Nice, from the top. So, bending those knees slightly. Can we contract even more here? Ooh, yes. Looking good. Keep it going. Nice, once more. Then we're going to straighten our legs, take the body round. So go at your own pace. And you might be able to go right the way forward. You might want to keep it here to keep the lower back strong. Take it at your level. Good, reaching down. Keep those shoulders back. Make sure they come rounded in. Let's speed it up. Again, slow. Center. Drawing that hand down. And quicker. Well done, bringing the arms in. Look. Once more. Let's go. And take it out. Very good, very good. Sorry, that was a very jazzy ending there. We're going to go with the last track. So again, focus that energy here. Take those arms up. We're going to go side to side. Taking the arm diagonal. There's the music. So you should really feel it in your core as you take that arm across. Nice, punching forward. Palms coming forward. Feel the energy in your core. Good. Okay, again, keeping your hips in line with your ankles. We're going to tap down to our knees. That's it. Keep it going. So just taking your body over. Let's switch up. Other way. Careful not to rotate or take that hip back. We're just crunching the top half over. 2 more. Well done, from the top. So this time we're going to keep our shoulders square and just focus on taking that arm slightly across. Well done, punching forwards. So really feel the energy here, coming from your core. Sit, legs still. Let's touch our leg and out. Good, keep it going. Okay, let's switch. Check what that hip is doing. It's not going back. We're just crunching the top of our body. Well done. 2 more. That's it, coming across. Again, keep focusing that energy to the core. Ready, punching forwards. Okay, we're going to tap the leg this time, going opposite. Yeah, that's it. 2 more. Woo! Nice work. We are going to stretch. That was your workout for today. So, take a deep breath in. And out. Once more, big reach up. And out. Well done. Let's circle the arms forward. Tuck your chin in. And take those arms back. Shoulder blades together. And relax down. We're going to take our ears to our shoulder. Using that other hand to encourage that head over. Good. Other side. And coming up, taking one arm up, taking hold of that wrist, and we're going to stretch to the side. Keeping those shoulders down, making sure your body is facing front. Good, ready? Other side. Reaching up and over. That's it. Coming up, and we're going to bend the knees round in the back and take those arms up. Coming forward. That's it. Reaching and other way. Good, 2 more. That's it. Take the arms up and down. Again, lengthen through the sides and down. Once more, take them up and down. Well done. I hope you've enjoyed today's workout. Thank you so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next time. Take care.